ndị Hausa na-achị since ndị Yoruba achịgo Obasanjo Osibanjo Olugoton maka na ọ sị na ndị I was in the United States 2019. I was in the United States 2019 when Obasanjo came to shut up this guy.
Go on, sir. So I need more. I need again.
When a grandpa is talking, they yelling. I was in the United States when Obasanjo came and told us that Islamization and Fulanization is going on in Nigeria. Nyanandi Fulani and Muslims chori workers in Nigeria nine Obasanjo bia gwa mgbe no na USA. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
And that is what is happening now. Ndi Fulani achikatago since. Ndi Yoruba chiana Obasanjo achigo Tinubu Obasanjo achigo Osibanjo Olurazie ton ndị Igbo akụkọ karịa maka na asị na ndị Igbo bụ political illiterates. I was in Europe, I was in Lagos. I was a Lagos-based lawyer 25 years. Fejiro politics egwu. My nwokem and wife, all of them were PVC. Ndi Yoruba. And I make them meeting May 2 a.m. and I meeting. All of them. I was there 15 years. Even 13-year-old children. Election rule, a bottom mandate in Niger Republic, mandate child. Manabiara Ndigo or singing, hey, Kiajana shop. In a Jaguar shop, only one policy, Oye Fulani game, will mess up our views for 10 years. Are you aware that the president will 10 jets, aeroplane, is using aeroplane, 10 of them. 10! But our children are not in school. Universities, this is 7 months. But our president is making use of 10 aeroplanes. When Jenna Britain, the prime minister, so gonna use 1 Jaguar and 1 Range Rover. In America, the president they lose limousine, they use. In China, they use. Mabia here, our governor now got 50 cars of one. When on New York, Governor Cuomo, Andrew Cuomo, about on a train one day, or but there, one wire, good doctor, medical doctor, this. Or see no one, Governor Cuomo of New York. Oh, what police is here? My nwokem and wife. You got a quality.
Yes, sir.
But here, Governor na gafe. Moti soya. Police soya. Army soya. You got a
Yes, sir.
The cost of government is too much. Because I vote to Peter Obi. Peter Obi, I came Anambra State. Anambra State was like Afghanistan before Peter Obi became governor. Anambra State was like Somalia before Peter Obi became governor. But when Peter Obi became governor, Anambra State was 26 in education. Peter Obi made Anambra #1 in education. Look where, before Peter Obi, after Peter Obi, he joined Anambra State. And where is the village now? And where's the rural area? I am quoting N.T.I, former president of our N.T.I, Anambra. enwerozikwa village, enwezi rural areas. Peter Obi dozicha ebe niile. Mwesi US bata. Kwụsị na Ọnịcha. Banye moto na-eji ihiala. I'm from ihiala Ọba na Anambra. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Imana from Onitsha to ihiala. Civilization this side, civilization this side. Mpụta Ọba, amarazi mgbe nji pụta Ọba. Pụta Oraifite, amarazi mgbe nji pụta Oraifite. Pụta Ọzụbụrụ, ịmana nlu na Ọkịja kwụsịrị na meelu gị ihiala. Alituzie na moto, wee chọpụta na meelu bere ihiala. Wee baikwa moto ọzọ. Because Peter Obi meziri, civilization did this side, civilization did this side. Oh well, school hand you over to missionaries. Hospital youth corps in charge. Ijezie hospital aburuzie consultants Julia. Oh yeah, ka chọrọ ka Peter Obi mee for federal government. As I'm talking to you now, Peter Obi is in the whole of Europe, America. Na America, Bogom. Sim Nekwifa, Peter Obi na America now. The whole America in diaspora. Nigerians in diaspora are supporting Peter Obi. Nigerians in diaspora are supporting Peter Obi. And with Peter Obi, Fagana to the election. Yeah, and the Obodo gets us to election. Because Umuntrobia, the town of Nola. Because, oh God, hey, mind you, chase. The Bible says there was time for every purpose. Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1. There is time for mind you. There is time for chase. There is time for ABC. After all, Igbo women are the most beautiful women in Nigeria. I've traveled over. Our women are the most beautiful. So, I need it. If I see now, if I need it now, vote for Peter Obi, please.
Daddy, thank you.
Come here to see this country.
Thank you.
Our reverend sisters are no longer saved. Our reverend fathers are no longer saved.
Thank you, sir.
Vote for Peter Obi.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, yeah, the reverend Vote for Peter Obi. Our reverend fathers are no longer saved. Our men of God are no longer saved. Reverend sisters are no longer saved. Vote for Peter Obi, please.